Up for the big birthday party right there. Hadley is celebrating her 3rd birthday in Thayer. Happy birthday, Hadley.
All right, in Mapleton, Kansas, Gunner Northcutt turns 4 years old. Happy birthday, Gunner.
Sharp hat, man. Sharp hat. I like that. Jay Little is celebrating his 6th birthday. A sharp dressed dude right there, too. Happy birthday to Jay in Diamond.
All right, Marshall Kraft is 7 strong this year.
Whoa.
Marshall is celebrating in Walnut, Kansas.
Check that.
His hand's full there.
Marshall, those are as big as you, my man.
Yeah, they are.
All right, look, he's about to put them in the cooler. So we're going to go home. We're going to eat well tonight. Happy birthday. Robert Stein is celebrating his 8th birthday. That's a cool ride right there. That's pretty neat.
Cool.
Gas powered and everything, isn't it? Huh? I like that ride. Is that his name on the front of it?
Yeah, it sure does. It says
Oh,
Robert.
man.
And on the side it says Robert Stein. Number 15.
What number is it?
Number 15?
I couldn't tell if it was 15 or 16 right there just because of the angle.
I think it's a 5.
I like that. That's cool, man.
Cool.
All right, happy birthday to Robert in Joplin. Robert, this comes with love from Mom.
And we've got Addison Avery turning 9 years old this year. Great picture. Throwback from Christmas there in Girard.
Back to Thayer. Party on in Thayer. Lou Whitney, she is celebrating her 11th birthday. Have a great day, Lou.
Brandon Bishop celebrating birthday number 16
No way.
this year.
16?
Ah, we got a
Oh,
Chiefs
my
fan there
goodness.
in Pittsburgh.
That's crazy.
Looks like he was able
Driver's
to take in a
license time
game.
for the Bishop family now. Eric Howe, speaking of milestone birthdays, Eric Howe, he is turning 21. And Eric, these wishes come with love from the whole family. And that little one right there on the right, well, that happens to be one Eric Jr. Eric Jr. is only 6 months old. So he's got about 20 years and 6 months to catch up with Dad right there.
Yep. Wow. All right. And we've got Brian Phillips celebrating birthday number 38 this year.
Green grass, shorts, t-shirt, warmer weather. Brian, that picture just makes me happy knowing it was sunny that day. I like that.
Time to hit the streets and do some running.
Dale Gothier celebrating the Big 5-0. Great picture right there. Happy birthday to Dale in Fort Scott with birthday wishes from the entire family.
Look at those pictures. And Mona Brumbaugh,
Hey!
62 years old this year. Looking great there, Mona. Happy birthday in Weir.
Happy
Kansas.
birthday, Miss Mona. Sharon Henderson, she is celebrating her 80th birthday. Sharon, a very happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
All right. Fern Beasley, belated birthday wishes going out to you. You were celebrating yesterday. We'll just keep on celebrating today as well. Miss Fern is in Altoona.
Denise Richard, no S at the end, just Denise Richard, celebrating number 45. And Denise's birthday was yesterday, but Denise, we're going to carry, you know what? We're going to carry this thing all the way to the weekend. How about that? This birthday wish comes with love from Mom and Dad, and Miss Denise is in Arma. And Caitlin McNeil, a 26th birthday. Now, Caitlin is down in Stillwater, but that's okay, because you can catch all our birthdays and anniversaries online each and every morning. And it just so happens she is a former Miami War Dog. So a very happy 26th to Caitlin. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Speaking of the interweb, here is Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.